My name is Bruno and I work as an operations manager here at Siesta Campers. Most of my work is dedicated to managing the customer support. The part of slowing down, going wild and being loved, our customer support team, we have a huge impact because we are coordinating their experience from the beginning until the very end of their trip. It allows them to have this peace of mind and that they know that Siesta Campers support is always there for them, whatever happens, and we're going to solve it. We are a smaller company. Perhaps we also have a smaller fleet, but we are also more dedicated to each customer and to each experience. There's the tranquility in interacting with us. They feel safe. Our communication is very clear. Our pricing transparency is very clear. The time we have to react to each situation, whether it's a phone call, an email, Siesta Campers is going to be there for you. You can slow down, and I really like that part. Not to rush to the next place, but just enjoy the moment. If anything happens, we are there. We got you covered, don't worry.